4G router. It creates a mobile broadband Wi-Fi hotspot connection. Heatsink. Device made of thermoconducting material that dissipates unwanted heat. Tripod. It provides stability for smooth recording. The 360 camera is a back-to-back lenses camera covering over 180 degrees each. And the case is equipped with a router stand, hub, and multiple cables and adapters. First, assemble the tripod, attaching the heatsink to the mounting plate and then the 360 camera on top. Press the power button for a few seconds to power the camera on. Connect the USB hub to the Ethernet cable and then connect it to the 360 camera. You will have successfully connected to the router to the camera once the network icon appears on the screen. Use Velcro strips to attach the cable to the tripod's legs. Initialize the MXLive app and press Start to begin streaming. In the projection room, power on the MK360 by switching the power button. Access the MK360 app and in the app section select the Live Stream tab. Select the streaming code connected to the 360 degrees camera. Enjoy the streaming! To power off, go to the streaming screen on the 360 degrees camera and press Stop. Then press the camera's power button for a few seconds and select Power Off.